Hi, I have another video clip or episode. If you're looking for car alarm system, basically, if you have a new car that you're gonna be, if you're planning to buy a new car, and then you don't want to use or to pay for the high cost of security system at a dealer. I just bought a 2018 Honda Accord, and I decided not to buy. The dealer, I think the system is called KARR alarm system, and the dealer gonna charge me I think close to $800, which is a lot of money. Besides, they already added something to my purchase, like these dealer installed options like mud guards and floor mat, and they overcharged me like close to $1,000. However, because of the deal was good, so I went along with it. But anyway, coming back to the alarm system, there's a product called I think the alarm system, you can go to independent alarm installation place, and actually we're doing today, we stopped by this place in Long Beach, California, called Shelby's alarm system, and they have this new product called Automate. I guess it's a alarm software that allow them to basically use or to program your existing smart key fobs that you have, the factory key fobs that you have. They can simply program that, and you can keep using the factory remotes without buying new remotes. Like if you go with like product like Viper, for example, you're gonna have to get Viper alarms, so you will have like 2 additional alarms with that look like your factory alarms, remotes. So and Shelby's only charges $200, $199, which is a good deal. So today it should be done. I will let you guys know how it goes, and it's supposed to do all the key fob, the smart key fob function, like like open the trunk and everything else. So so you can save money and hassles of getting additional remotes using like Automate product, or software that that I think is the product is under Viper company. So anyway, I will give an update of how it is, and hopefully everything will be good, and we can just simply use the almost like a factory remote to do all of the stuff for, I would say, for only $200 instead of paying $800 at the dealer, which is the dealer will mark everything up 2 or 3 times, I'll tell you. So be very careful buying a new car, and check my buying a new car video tips that I will put below my description there. Anyway, hope it helps. If you're looking for affordable alarm system that will seamlessly integrated with your factory alarm system, hope that helps.